Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And yeah, I got the soup heated up here, nice and hot, ready to go. And I've had moved the bread over here and covered it with a towel so that I could let it cool down. And I don't want you to misunderstand me in the last video when I said don't cut it while it's hot and all that. Okay, it's okay to cut it when it's warm. After it's cooled down and there's no more, when you slice it, there should be no steam that comes out. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this first loaf right here, if I can get it out of there, because they did stick together. All right, and see if I can do this one hand, and I'm going to cut a chunk off here, because I like a good chunk for dipping in my soup. Oh, that cuts nice and easy. Alright, so everybody always wants to see what it looks like inside. So here we go. There's what it looks like inside. It looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Let's see. Very soft, light and airy. Yep. A little moist still on the inside. It needs to cool down a little bit more, but it still is ready to go. And let me try this. Oh my God, that's good bread. Oh, oh my gosh, that is delicious. So down the line, I guess I'm going to have to show everybody the recipe on this. Pretty easy. The whole thing takes about an hour and 45 minutes to prep and cook and everything. So I got a second loaf sitting over there. I'm going to have to bag that up and make sure that it stays fresh for a little while. This makes great French toast too. You can cut these in, inch and a quarter thick slices. Mix up your egg batter and make a delicious slice of a couple of slices of French toast. So I might have to do that with some of this because I got 2 whole loaves here to go. Or maybe one of my lucky neighbors might want some fresh bread. Any lucky neighbors out there watching? All right, everybody. This is just a little supplement to let you know that I did cut the bread so you can see what was inside. I am going to get to my Portuguese soup here in a little while. This stuff is really, really good, really hearty. And it's not really that cold out. I actually had to open up the window and let some of the heat out of here with the oven cooking and all of that. So there are a couple of motherships over the tops of the mountain over there that are hiding in their cloaking devices with the clouds. So anyway, everybody, have a good evening. Thank you for joining me. This is G Bear saying don't forget the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. G Bear signing off.